Hi mga besh! This is our second day here in Saigon and fortunately I was able to book a tour with Klook. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng Mekong Delta at mamaya itutour ko kayo. But before that, kain muna tayo ng free breakfast dito sa Nanong Hotel. Tara! Hi! So, mag-isa lang ako ngayon dito sa tour na to kasi hindi natuloy yung mga kasama ko. Diba? Mag-isa lang. VIP ang galawan dito. Ako lang yung mag-isang pinag-explainan. Ako lang din yung mag-isang kinakausap ng tour guide ko. Nakakatuwa dahil hindi nila pinuspone kahit na mag-isa lang ako. Yan.
I'm your tour guide, the one who will take you to go to visit the Mekong Delta tour.
They're the one who's making it. The sound.
Sad, very sad. So welcome to Ong Kik Anson House in Mekong Delta, Vietnam. This house I have all designed and made it by wood. So all of the architecture of this house they making by wood. This is very good one. Good wood.
What wood is this?
This one by teak wood.
Thick wood.
Teak wood, something like that. 38.
So, it was built 1838.
1838. Yeah. So around 186 years ago. I love the Anson House here in Vietnam. Anson House and also the Anson architecture. They are designed by wooden. And then they will use the mother pearl, you know.
So this one is mother pearl.
Yes, the real mother pearl one. They inlet on the surface of the wooden products.
The artistry, imagine.
Yes, after that they carve in the detail. Okay. Four season is good mood and happiness. See that apricot blossom? Yeah, this one need bamboo.
Okay. Like we have to put
Ready. This one I don't make a lot, so I don't open make dirty.
yeah.
So this one we get the coconut flesh. When I was young, I make this one for my house, my family, my mom. Get the coconut powder, something like that. I help my mom to make like this one. After this, we put with the warm water, and then we make the coconut milk. And then
Use the frying pan to make it hot. Are you ready for the top rice performance? Hopping, hopping. Move that sand out. One more time. Ready? Yeah. The first step of the pop rice. The second step.
I tried it. It's delicious.
The second step. We have another wall.
yeah, do go.
The pop rice with some sugar, some coconut milk, and some peanut to make it sweet. Mixing on the fire around 5 minutes. In Vietnam, the alcohol rice around 35 to And over here, we have
Only one gulp.
the highlight.
300. I'll be risking 300. So I could grab this one, which is like a lot.
Second duty C, we take care of the queen bee. The third duty C, take care of the baby bee. Yeah. One more bee, that's one is the flock bee. Very flock. That's the man. So come one.
Calamansi in the Philippines, we call that calamansi. It's kamwat here.
I put the tea and you can stir it. Use the spoon to stir it. Here like only the showroom only they have inside they have very big.
So that's what you've been telling me. Hi.
I make half the what the Hennessy. Wait for you. Welcome to Tang Phong
Thank
Island.
you.
Yeah.
Come on.
So one
Hi, ngayon nakasakay tayo ng maliit na bangka at nandito tayo sa parang strait dito sa Mekong River. Ito siya. Alam nyo, what I have noticed, we're so lucky dahil kanina malakas yung ulan. Tapos, nung nag-start na yung tour natin dito sa Mekong, nawala yung ulan. It's so awesome, right? Nakakatuwa lang isipin. The universe is really good to me.
okay.
It depends on other oil or have to put it down.
Chicken as well.
And chicken. Yeah, that's good.
A little bit more. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 70.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Yes. Synchrony. Very nice.
The one is going to eat anyway.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Famous spring rolls.
Yeah. Spring roll is the one we are making fry with the oil. But later we're going to make the spring roll with the fish and vegetable for you as well. This fish for you, huh? You can finish it, please. Don't waste the food.
Let's eat.
So they actually made me a food made out of the elephant fish. So I'll just show you here. This is the elephant fish. And then I also made my own pancake. They made me this. So this one, I have to dip it in this special sauce. So here it is. Let's taste it. Mmm. You can hear my chew. Narinig niyo akong umuya. Favorite spring rolls. How good. Pinaghimay pa nila ako. Tapos kanina, yung binabanggit ko kanina, bago ako kumain, nag-bike muna kami around the area. So nakakita ko ng maraming puno ng durian, maraming puno ng jackfruit, rambutan. Yan. When I asked our tour guide, sabi niya, yun daw kasi yung way of living nila dito. Tapos yun yung parang pinaka-source nila. Kaya ang dami nilang mga fruit-bearing trees. Ang dami na ang prepare, so nakakaya naman kung hindi mo babawasan, di ba? Tapos, ito yung ginawa ko kanina. Wait. This one. Kakainin din natin siya. If I am going to come back here, ganito ulit yung gagawin ko. Bubuka ko ulit ng tour. Tapos sana sila ulit yung makakainin ko. Come on. Kasi ang daming food. Tapos very nakasmile sila always. Nakakatuwa yun. So ito na. That's right. Sarap. I like it. Tapos while you are eating, yung paligid mo maraming mga chicken. Ito. Check nyo. See? Told ya. They're everywhere. Kaya nakakatuwa lang. It's nice eating here. It's very refreshing. Ang lamig pa. Kanina, kwento ko na lang, nagpunta din kami sa area na may mga nag-play ng folk music. Tapos, meron din may kwento kasi yung song nila. May nag-i-enact. May nag-a-act. Just may kumakanta, may tumutugtog. Which is so good. Ang galing. Kasi naalala ko yung Theater Days live ko. They also have this. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Sure, titikman natin. Ay, ang sarap. May pork sa loob. Or meat. Tapos may smoky flavor siya. Tapos it was wrapped with, hindi ko na alam kung anong dahon to, pero tatanungin ko na lang mamaya kay Danny. Oh, good. Basically, makikita niyo lang ako mag-pig out. There's soup. This one, it looks like sorghum, but this is different. Sarap. Tapos, meron siyang carrots. Tapos, merong white thing. Hindi ko lang sure kung ano yun. Pero I think labanos yung isa. I like it. This one actually looks like a peanut, pero hindi siya peanut. Parang siyang mais. So baka ka-family siya. Yung lasa niya, alam niyo yung binatog, right? Parang ganun. Pero obviously, hindi siya mais. Not unless may iba silang variety ng mais dito. Nakailan pa si Joanna. Hindi naman marunong. Sila na yung gumawa. So he was asking me, Danny was asking me to finish it all up, pero